Alright, what is going on, dude? It's your boy Dude76 here, and today I'm going to show you how to enable options trading on Robinhood. Let's go. Okay, first things first, I would like to preface this video by saying, trading options, it's no joke. Puts and calls, they give you a lot of leverage, so you can gain a lot of money super quickly, but at the same time, you can lose that money extremely quickly as well. So, be warned, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just a video, right? With that being said, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna wanna go into your Robinhood app. I'm gonna cover up my assets because I don't wanna reveal it to the public quite yet. So once you're in the app, go to the bottom right, click the little profile button, right? And then click on investing, right? Scroll all the way down, or pretty much all the way down, until you see options trading, right? I had it enabled before, but I disabled it for the sake of the video. So what you're gonna wanna do is just click enable options trading. So click on that. You can read through this, choose your strategy, blah, blah, blah. Just click sign up, click continue. So do you provide investment advice as part of your job? Probably not. If you're at enable options for the first time, click no. Are you registered with the financial regulator? Probably not. I'm guessing, so click no. How many years have you traded options? If this is your first time enabling it, less than 1 year. If not, you can do whatever time frame is correct for you, but just do less than 1 year. And then, do you know how to enter an option spread? If you want to do like debit or credit spreads, you can click sure, you can do it, or just I'm not sure how to enter a spread. Scroll through here, enter information. This will be blurred out probably for the sake of the video, but just enter that stuff in and then click confirm. Give it a second to load. So, review application, blah, blah, blah. Just click review. I agree. It's going to verify your identity, your profile, your experience. It doesn't hurt if you have executed a few trades using Robinhood. You bought some stocks or sold some stocks. You might have to click try again a few times also because I guess there's a lot of volume. People trying to trade options. Just click clicking try again, and you should be good. And then you'll get the message application approved. You can buy calls, puts, selling covered calls, selling cash covered puts, and exercising options. Click continue, and you have been enabled for options trading. You can buy calls and puts now. So let's just say theoretically, I want to buy a Nokia, we're going to the moon, a NOK call option, right? So I click, search Nokia, that's a ticker symbol for Nokia, click trade, and now you have this new option here. Before you just had buy, now you have trade options. Click on that. And this actually gives you a pretty brief and good overview of buying a call, selling covered put, buying a put, blah, blah, blah. Different strategies like the Iron Condor, there's a lot of different ways you can, deal with the trading options. We're not going to get into that in this video. We're just going to show you how to, set up options so you can actually just go ahead and buy one. So say I want to buy a call option for February 5th for NOK. I'll click February 5th and I want to buy it, right? I'm going to buy a call. So, buy a call. And then let's say I want to buy a $7 call for NOK. Let's just say I want to buy one contract, right? That'll be $254. The market is closed right now, so I can't do that. I actually don't have enough buying power right now, but if I did, I would just click review and then, buy the contract, and I would have one NOK contract, $7 for February 5th, expiring February 5th. And, that contract could be worth $0 the next day. It could be worth $2,000. It's a call option. Anything can happen, especially what's going on right now with Wall Street bets. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. All right.